Merge and center and wrap text are two formatting tools that can help you manage cell content to create clear, professional-looking reports and dashboards. They are crucial for organizing headings and long text entries. Merge and center. Merge and center combines multiple selected cells into a single large cell and centers the content within. This is commonly used for main titles, subtitles, or labels that span across several columns or rows. When you merge cells that contain data, only the content from the top leftmost cell is retained. All other data in the merged range will be lost. To merge and center cells, do the following. Select the adjacent cells you want to combine. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click Merge and Center. The selected cells will merge and the content of the top leftmost cell will be centered. To unmerge cells, select the merged cell. On the Home tab in the Alignment group, click the Merge and Center button again. It acts as a toggle. You can click the drop-down arrow and select Unmerged cells. There are other merge options when you click the drop-down arrow. They include Merge Across. This merges cells in selected rows individually. Merge Cells. This merges the selected cells or range without centering it. Unmerge Cells. This unmerges the merged cell. Wrap Text. Wrap text automatically adjusts the height of a cell to display all its content on multiple lines within the cell's current column width. This is ideal for long text entries that you don't want to overflow into adjacent cells or require you to manually widen a column. If content is too wide for a cell, you can either widen the column or you wrap text. Without either, data might appear cut off in cells. To apply wrap text, select the cell or range where you have long text. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click Wrap Text. The text will automatically wrap and the row height will adjust to fit. To unwrap text, select the wrapped cells. Click Wrap Text button again. It acts as a toggle. The wrapped text cells will unwrap automatically. Merge and center and text wrap are indispensable Excel skills that any Excel user should know. I believe that this lesson adequately equips you with the skill. In the next lesson, we'll discuss applying styles using format as table.